Love that clean, modern CB2 look? Same here, so I decided to make my own version. Come see how it turned out. I just scored this vase at the thrift store for $5.09. It's almost the same shape and size I was looking for. Excited to see what it'll become? Me too. First thing I did was give it a nice clean. I heard sanding it a bit helps the paint stick better, so I gave it a quick once-over. This is the Rust-Oleum Universal Bonding Primer. It's great for tricky surfaces like ceramic, glass, or even plastic. Anything regular paint might have a hard time sticking to. I'm using it on this ceramic vase today. After cleaning and lightly sanding the surface, I'm giving it a nice even coat. This helps the paint stick better and last longer, so the finish looks smooth and professional. I let it dry for a day, then tried adding some texture with cement. But when I checked the next day, it had all fallen off. So I wiped it clean and tried again, this time with joint compound. This part was a total fail, so I'm just gonna speed it up for you. Take my advice. Go with joint compound from the start. The joint compound feels like it's really sticking, and it's so smooth to work with. I wanted a horizontal texture, so while applying it, I rubbed it side to side with my hand. I'm already loving how it looks. I heard if you apply it thin, you only need to let it dry for a day. But if it's thicker, it can take 2 or more. Mine was on the thin side, so I let it dry for a day. The next day, I painted the vase using Magnolia Home Chalk Paint in the color Shiplap. And here's how it turned out. Now for my favorite part, decorating. I wanted to use an olive branch, so I grabbed one from Michael's. The great thing about a faux branch is you can shape it any way you like. I set it on a tray in front of the fireplace, then added candles and a lantern. At night, when everything's glowing, it creates such a warm, cozy feeling. This was my first time doing this, and honestly, I couldn't be happier with the result. I'd love to hear what you think. See you in my next project.